Good morning. We celebrate the bravery of our ancestors and their gift of freedom to us as Independence Day. On this occasion of the 74th Independence Day, with great pride and honor, I, Sudanwa K, welcome you all. Independence Day is a red-letter day in the annals of the nation's history. This day is celebrated with dedication as the Indian movement is studded with sacrifice of many freedom fighters who laid down their lives for this great nation. Irrespective of culture, creed, caste, religion, there is one important factor that unites us, the national flag. The tricolor symbolizes truth, prosperity, and sacrifice. Let us now salute our national flag.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
बोलो भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे वंदे वंदे
I request our secretary, Mrs. Madhuru Chengappa, to say a few words.
Good morning to one and all present here. We are missing our regular Independence Day celebration, but I would like to say a small verse of a song which I used to sing as a small little girl in my school. Nade munde, hikki nade munde, nade munde, hikki nade munde. ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಭಾರತ ತ್ರಿವರ್ಣ ಧ್ವಜವು ಹಾರುತ್ತಲಿಹುದು ನಮ್ಮುಂದೆ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಭಾರತ ತ್ರಿವರ್ಣ ಧ್ವಜವು ಹಾರುತ್ತಲಿಹುದು ನಮ್ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಾಡಿ ನಡೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಿಕ್ಕಿ ನಡೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Invocation descends into the heart. If there is darkness, it illuminates it. And if there is light, the invocation increases the light and intensifies it. Now, Spurti Kishan will invoke the blessings of the Lord.
जय जगदीश्वरि माता सरस्वती शरणागत प्रतिपालनहारि जय जगदीश्वरि माता सरस्वती चंद्रबिंब समवदन विराजे शशि मुकुटामल गलधारी वीणा वामांग में शोभे वीणा वामांग में शोभे सामगीत ध्वनि मधुर प्रियारी जय जगदीश्वरि माता सरस्वती श्वेतवसन कमलासन सुंदर संग सखी शुभ हंस सवारी ब्रह्मानंदमय दास तुम्हारो ब्रह्मानंदमय दास तुम्हारो दे दर्शन पर ब्रह्म दुलारी दे दर्शन पर ब्रह्म दुलारी दे दर्शन पर ब्रह्म दुलारी जय जगदीश्वरी जय जगदीश्वरी जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती शरणागत प्रतिपालनहारी जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती.
Wow, it was truly devotional. Thank you, Spurti. Warm welcome brings us closer and it helps us to feel the aura of the event, despite being separated by the distance. Now, Chetana will render the welcome speech.
India is cradle of the human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition. Our most valuable and most instructive materials in the history of man are treasured up in India only. Good morning, one and all present here. I, Chetana MP, sports captain of Daffodils English School, welcome you to the 74th Independence Day. It's a pleasure to start this occasion by heartily welcoming everybody. I welcome the honorable dignitaries, esteemed heads of the institution. Today we have a distinguished guest, retired Lieutenant Colonel K.R.V. Rao, who would be sharing his thoughts with us. I extend a pleasant welcome to him. I also welcome our respected teachers, my dear parents and my dear friends. This is a new experience where we have gathered on a virtual platform to celebrate our Independence Day. It shows a love and patriotism for our country. We feel proud that India has been able to fight the pandemic and stand strong as a nation. I once again welcome you to the celebration. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Chetana. It's time to invite today's guest, retired Lieutenant Colonel K.R.V. Rao. He was born on 17 July 1940. He did his electrical engineering and then joined the army in 1964. He had been a part of the 1965 and the 1971 wars. He is a strict disciplinarian, highly committed, and fights for a cause which he believes in. He is a natural leader and an optimistic person. Sir, we warmly welcome you to our school's virtual Independence Day program. Sir, I would like you to speak a few words for the audience.
We are celebrating the 74th Independence Day today. Unlike other countries, our independence struggle was by and large peaceful and non-violent, mostly due to the sincere, concerted, determined and dedicated efforts of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who has been the role model to many countries in the world. At the time of celebration, we will be failing in our duties if we do not remember the role of thousands of freedom fighters who have wholeheartedly supported the Mahatma Gandhi freedom struggle. I joined the army in 1964 and was posted in Ambala in 1965. The war with Pakistan started in September 65 and just lasted 6 days with lot of bloodshed, loss of men, machinery and equipment. Having entered into Pak territory in most of the sectors, the then PM Lal Bahadur Shastri, also called Napoleon, must have felt very sad when asked to retreat to original borders. Who knows, he must have taken it to heart and could not recover. His slogan, Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan, and request to the citizens of the country to miss the meal on every Monday night for the sake of Jawans and Kisans was strictly observed by all. In 1971, lakhs of refugees came from East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, when Pakistan unleashed a reign of terror, torture on the locals. Unable to bear the burden of feeding lakhs of refugees, our government attacked both the wings of Pakistan, both east and west. In East Pakistan, about 93,000 soldiers of Pak army surrendered in Dhaka to Indian army, thus liberating East Pakistan and creating Bangladesh. I had the privilege of going to Dhaka, Comilla and Chittagong during 1971 army operations and stayed there for 3 months and be a part of the victorious Indian army. I had thoroughly enjoyed my army career of 26 years and no regrets whatsoever. You may call it Desh Seva or Self Seva, but if you achieve both, nothing brings more joy than that. Before I conclude, I would like to give bit of advice. Army life is tough, adventurous, but quite paying these days. The salary could be compared with any other government or corporate jobs if you take the perks into consideration. Do not think your life span could be reduced in army service. We all believe our longevity is decided by the Creator, God, and not army. Out of my dozen classmates up to SSLC, none have joined army except me, but when most of them have passed away, I am only left with to remember them. Last but not least, I would like to thank the Daffodils School Management for having given opportunity to speak few words during Independence Day celebration of our great country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for those great words of wisdom. Dance is also a form through which we can express our patriotic feelings. We now have a team of graceful dancers who will be performing to the theme of Swachh Bharat.
जगाने हैं हमको, निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको। अब कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है, अब ठान के मुट्ठी कसने की बारी है। स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी है, स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी है।
दम दमक दम दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको, निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको। अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको, निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको।
बनकर धारा बहना है हमको डगर डगर,
बस्ती बस्ती गांव गली और हर एक नगर नगर, स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे,
जागी रे जागी रे, स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे, जागी रे ज्योत जागी रे,
जगमग जगमग सी ज्योत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे। दम 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 दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा फिर देखना तुम, कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा, देश मेरा, देश मेरा फिर देखना तुम।
कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही
अब ठान के मुट्ठी कसने की बारी है।
हर दिशा दिशा का मुखड़ा छप से धोना है ये।
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, जागी रे जोत जागी।
ओ स्वच्छता की बरखा आ गई रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
सूरज को स्नान कराना है, धरती को भी नहलाना है। जो मन से निकले उमड़ घुमड़, उस नदी को आज बहाना है। स्वच्छता की जोत जागी, स्वच्छता की जोत जागी, स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, जागी रे जोत जागी।
जगमग जगमग सी जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया, चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
It was really a pleasant performance. Thank you. Fighting for our country is not a profession, it's an obsession. Now Rohit is all set to enkindle our patriotism in us through his Desha Bhakti Geete, Namma Desha.
ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶವೀಗ ಈ ನೋವು ನಿರಾಸೆ ಕೊನೆಯಾಗಿತೀಗ ಸೆರೆವಾಸ ಕೊನೆಗೊಂಡು ಜಯ ಕಂಡ ದಿನವೇ ಅಳಿವೆಂದು ಬರದಂತೆ ಉಳಿದಂತ ನೆಲವೇ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ಧುಮ್ಮಿಕ್ಕಿ ಜರಿಯಂತೆ ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗಿ ಎದೆಗುಂದದೆ ಹೋರಾಡಿ ಮಡಿದ ಜನರು ಈ ದಾಸ್ಯ ಕೊನೆಯಾಗಲು ಈ ದೇಶ ಹಸನಾಗಲು ಈ ಜೀವ ಪಣವಾಗಿರಲು ತಾಯಿ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಸೇವೆ ಒಂದೇ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿ ಅದುವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮೋಸ ಬಲು ಮೋಸ ಕೊಲ್ಲುವವರಂತೆ ವೇಷ ಕುಡಿವಾಗ ಬಿಸಿ ರಕ್ತ ಉಳಿವಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಪ್ರತಿ ನಾಡಿ ಮಿಡಿವಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಧ್ವನಿಯೇ ನಮದು ನಮದೇ ಭಾರತ ನೆಲ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ
was a melodious performance. Thank you, Rohit. We all understand the significance of Independence Day. May I call upon my friends Nishanu Tapake N, Shreya C.S., Vijeta V, Ila Chakravarti, Veda Nayak, and Chirbi R, who will share their thoughts about this great day and what freedom means to them.
Good morning to all. I am Nishanu Tapake, the head boy of Daffodils English School. It gives me immense pleasure to be speaking on the occasion of the 74th Independence Day celebration. It is an appropriate time to renew the spirit of the motherland whose glory lies in her past. Every year, we celebrate Independence Day religiously with grandeur, gaiety, fervour and enthusiasm as it reminds every Indian about the beginning of an era of deliverance from the clutches of British colonialism of more than 200 years. It was on this day in the year 1947 that India was declared independent from the British colonialism, and the reins of control were handed over to the leaders of our country. India's gaining of independence was a tryst with destiny, as the struggle for freedom was a long and tiresome one, witnessing the sacrifices of many freedom fighters who laid down their lives on the line. Let us remember all those who fought for our country, including the common men and those unsung heroes, and celebrate their achievement. Our tribute will always be less than adequate for their sacrifices, but let us salute them with pride in our hearts. Today, we have become one of the fastest growing nations. We are nowhere lagging behind the other countries of the world. India is competing with others in the field of sports, finance, defense and knowledge, and India remains one of the most ethnically diverse countries in the world. We are the world's largest democracy of free and happy people. We are politically powerful, economically strong and militarily advanced. We are a nuclear power country. We have a large brave army and our borders are protected and our enemies fear us. When we think of modern India, the valor of our armed forces overpowers our mind. When we think of our scientific progress, the research of our scientists dazzles our mind. When we think of our future, the dominance of our markets tickles our mind. But the past few months have been tough for our country. The COVID-19 pandemic has shaken India and will perhaps change our lives forever. While the disease caused by a tiny virus has affected millions, it has also brought to fore some often ignored challenges and opportunities to build a better tomorrow. Our country is not only reeling under stressed healthcare infrastructure but also witnessing humanitarian challenges of unprecedented levels. Along with COVID-19, India has also faced many challenges including floods, locust attacks, earthquakes, communal riots, etc. Let us dedicate this year to the Corona warriors, including the doctors, paramedical staff, policemen, nurses and other healthcare workers. Indian soldiers at the borders are also battling a standoff with China, wherein 20 Indian Army personnel were martyred in the Galwan Valley of Ladakh on June 16th. I take this opportunity to salute those brave hearts and their mothers. While we leave no opportunity to praise what we are eating, we often forget the person who ensures that we get our meal, the farmers. Let us also salute them on this occasion. And friends, let us not forget the educators. Our teachers are ensuring that our education continues irrespective of the challenges. They are also doing their bit for our nation. Hats off to you, teachers. Being the youth, we are the future of our nation. Today, on the occasion of the 74th Independence Day, let us promise that we shall protect our nation by educating ourselves and educating others. Let us take a pledge for freedom from the pandemic. Let us take a resolve to strive for a self-reliant India or a Atmanirbhar India. A resolve to learn and teach something new, and a resolve to earnestly carry out our duties. I would like to conclude my speech by saying that thinking can't change anything. If you want to change something, you have to do hard work, and your hard work will change that. Let us strive to maintain the unity and diversity of this great nation of ours. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
सुप्रभातम् सर्वेभ्यः स्वातन्त्र्यदिवसस्य शुभाशयाः। मम नाम श्रेया। अहं डैफोडिल्स् फौण्डेशन् फॉर लर्निंग विद्यालयस्य 9मी कक्षायाः छात्रा अस्मि। सर्वान् ज्येष्ठान् अभिवन्द्य मम मित्राणि च अभिनन्द्य मम दृष्टिकोणे स्वातन्त्र्यम् इत्यमुं विषयम् अधिकृत्य यथामति वदामि। स्वातन्त्र्यम् इत्युक्ते सर्वेभ्यः अपि तेषाम् अभिप्रायः वर्तत एव। मम दृष्टिकोणे स्वातन्त्र्यम् इत्युक्ते मम मनसि यत् आयाति तस्य अनुकरणम् इत्युक्ते मह्यं यद् रोचते तत् करणीयम् इति न, अपि तु मया यत् क्रियते तेन कार्येण अन्येषां भावनानां कृते प्रतिकूलं न भवेत्। स्वातन्त्र्ये अस्मासु निर्दिष्टानि कार्याणि अपि भवन्ति। एवं स्वातन्त्र्यम् इत्युक्ते सर्वेषु मानवेषु उत्तमचरणतां च आनीय समाजे चिन्ताविहीन वातावरणं निर्माणस्य उपकरणम्। स्वातन्त्र्यम् इत्युक्ते अस्मासु विद्यमान जातिभेद, लिङ्गभेद, मतभेद, भाषाभेद, देशभेदानां निवारण पुरस्सरं एकतायाः भावनायाः निर्माण साधनम्।
ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 74ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಾನು ವಿಜೇತ, ಡಾಫೋಡಿಲ್ಸ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಶಾಲೆ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ. ಸಾವಿರಾರು ದೇಶಭಕ್ತರ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಬಲಿದಾನಗಳ ಫಲವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ 1947ರ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15ರಂದು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪುಣ್ಯ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸುವ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಪಾಲಿಸುವ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ನಮಗೆ ನೀಡಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಎಂದರೆ ಸ್ವೇಚ್ಛಾಚಾರವಲ್ಲ. ಅಖಂಡ ಭಾರತದ ಐಕ್ಯತೆ, ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂತ್ರವಾಗಬೇಕು. ಸಮೃದ್ಧ ಕಾಡುಗಳು, ತುಂಬಿ ಹರಿಯುವ ನದಿಗಳು, ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಪರ್ವತಗಳು ನಾಶವಾಗದಂತೆ ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ದೇಶ ಕಾಯುವ ಯೋಧರಿಗೆ, ಅನ್ನ ನೀಡುವ ರೈತರಿಗೆ, ವಿದ್ಯೆ ನೀಡುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿಡುವ ಪೌರ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಿಜವಾದ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆ.
जीवन में क्या महत्व है? स्वतंत्रता के कारण ही आज हमारा देश दिन प्रतिदिन विकास कर रहा है। स्वतंत्रता के बिना हमारा जीवन अधूरा है। लोग अपनी मर्जी से अपने धर्म का पालन कर सकते हैं। सभी को समानता का अधिकार मिलता है। बच्चे उपयुक्त शिक्षा प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। स्वतंत्रता होने से देश का धन देश के पास ही होते हैं। अगर हम स्वतंत्र नहीं होते तो हम ऐसे नहीं कर पाते।
We need to understand that freedom is just not given. Freedom is the trust that the other person is entrusting in you. It is the trust that your parents have on you to do the right thing. It is the trust that your teachers have on you to make use of the values that are taught in the right way. It is the trust that the government has on you to be a good citizen who abides the laws of the Constitution. Freedom is not the right to do anything. Freedom is the right to do the right thing. Earn your freedom and strive to be a good citizen of your nation. Jai Hind.
It's the time to get painted by unity and integrity, by saffron, white and green. Happy Independence Day to all. This is Surabhi R, head girl of Daffodils English School. Independence Day is the time to rethink who we are and how we got here. Today, let us memorialize the great patriots who brought us freedom. It is said that freedom cannot be bought by money. It is true, for we earned ours through years of struggle against the British Raj. Let us remember and salute the indomitable spirit of our freedom fighters for their selfless sacrifice in laying down their precious lives for the sake of our freedom. On 15th August 1947, we became one free nation. It was unity and oneness that helped us face the imperial power. It was integrity and solidarity that made our struggle for freedom successful. We are in a relatable situation now. Our days of struggle for freedom can be compared to the COVID-19 pandemic we're facing. We are now encountering the coronavirus, which, like the British, is posing several challenges. Our corona warriors are no less than our freedom fighters. They have gone to the extent of risking their own lives for our well being. Salute to them. Let us not forget that it was unity that brought us victory back in 1947, and it is unity that will bring us victory over this virus. Let this Independence Day be a reminder that unity is strength, and where there is unity, there is always victory. We are one nation, and we will face any such challenges united. We all know the importance of independence and freedom to our nation as a whole. But what is freedom to a child? Playing outdoors with friends? Spending evenings in a park? To go to school and spend time with friends? By and large, enjoy life limitlessly. Mostly outdoors. It is remarkable how all children have given up this, sacrificed their childhood desires, and are being good citizens. In fact, the entire education sector is doing an incredible job by conducting online classes, thereby keeping us, students, parents, and teachers safe. Salute to all the teachers out there who are also Corona warriors for their persistent efforts to make our online learning smooth and fruitful. We're all truly indebted to you, teachers. Let us honor all our warriors and freedom fighters today and always. I would like to end my speech by citing an excerpt from Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's Vande Mataram. Mother, I bow to thee, rich with thy hurrying streams, bright with ochre gleams, cool with thy winds of delight. Green fields waving, mother of might, mother free. Glory of moonlight dreams, over thy branches and lordly streams, clad in thy blossoming trees. Mother, giver of ease, laughing low and sweet. Mother, I kiss thy feet, speaker sweet and low. Mother, to thee I bow. Once again, a very happy Independence Day to all. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.
It was really inspiring. Thank you. Let us now sit back and enjoy another patriotic dance. I hope everyone enjoyed this performance. Our flag doesn't fly high just because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each and every Indian who died protecting it. Now, my friends will be portraying the roles of the Indian freedom fighters.
सबको मेरा नमस्कार। आज हम 74वीं स्वतंत्रता दिवस का उत्सव मना रहे हैं। इस शुभ अवसर पर हम 10वीं कक्षा के छात्र छात्राएं कविताओं के द्वारा स्वतंत्रता दिवस के महत्व पर एक झलक प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं। मैं वो भारत भूमि हूँ जो अंग्रेजों ने झगड़ा था। मेरी आजादी के लिए सपूतों ने खून बहाया था। सदियों की गुलामी के बाद एक आशा का मार्ग निकल आया। देश प्रेम की इरादों ने मुझे आजादी का दिन दिखलाया। याद तो बहुत आती है, आंखें भी भर जाती है। उन वीरों ने जो खून दिया, इतना बड़ा बलिदान दिया। माँ की ममता को वह पहचान लिया, उनकी रक्षा में ठान लिया। माँ को आजाद करा दिया, दुश्मनों को देश से भगा दिया।
वह तूफान था, वह आंधी था, वह सत्य अहिंसावादी था। वह सत्य का ही आदी था, अहिंसा ही उसका नारा था। ना सूट ना पैंट कोट, तन पर उसका एक लंगूट थी। वह क्रांति का एक आंधी था, स्वतंत्रता ही उसका सपना था। मकसद उसका भारत की आजादी था, खुशियों का एक वादी था। सब कहते हैं बापू उसको, नाम उसका महात्मा गांधी था। सच्चाई का लेकर शस्त्र और अहिंसा का ले अस्त्र। तूने अपना देश बचाया, गोरों को तो दूर भगाया। दुश्मन से प्यार किया, मानव को उपकार किया। गांधी करते तुझे नमन, तुझे चढ़ाते प्रेम सुमन। जय हिंद, जय भारत माता।
तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। जिनका सपना था आजादी की, अद्भुत सेनानी था भारत की। माँ बुला रही है, खून खोल रहा है। उठो, हमारे पास समय नहीं है। नारा जय हिंद का देकर बोले, मैं आजादी दूंगा, तुम रक्त देना। आजादी की लड़ी लड़ाई, आजाद हिंद फौज बनाई। सैनिकों को आगे ले आए, युवकों में देश प्रेम जगाए। परमवीर निर्भीक निगर, सुभाष चंद्र बोस है अमर। भारत माँ के सच्चे सुपुत्र रहे, हमारे हृदय में सदा आदर्श रहे। जय हिंद, जय भारत माता।
पूरे देश में गूंज उठा, जय जय भारत माता। जय जय भारत माता का नारा सिपाहियों में उत्साह भरता, निर्जीव शरीर में भी जान लाता। कण कण में देश प्रेम जगाता, जय जय भारत माता, जय जय भारत माता। वीरों को एक नया जोश दिया, अंग्रेजी सरकार की आंखों से नींद उड़ा दिया। हर धर्म और जाति को जोड़ा यह नारा, जय जय भारत माता, जय जय भारत माता।
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। छोटे थे उम्र में, बड़ी थी महत्वाकांक्षी का भाव। खून खोल रहा था दुश्मनों के कार्यों से। कूद पड़े आंदोलन में बड़े ही आत्मविश्वास से। घटी एक घटना स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन में, जलियांवाला बाग हत्याकांड में। ठेस लगा अमानवीय कृत्य देख के, ठान ली वो देश को आजादी दिलाने में। लग गए क्रांतिकारी संगठन की तैयारी में। सजा सुनाई फांसी की लाहौर षड्यंत्र मामले में। अपना जीवन अर्पण किया माँ के चरणों में। धन्य हो माता, ऐसे सच्चे सपूत को पाया। महान वीर भगत सिंह देशभक्त कहलाया। आप युवा पीढ़ियों के आदर्श रहें, भारत के इतिहास में अमर रहें। कोटि कोटि भारतीयों के हृदय में आप सदा रहें। जय जय भारत माता। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। जय हिंद, जय
भारत की बुलबुल, सशक्त स्वतंत्रता सेनानी, अच्छी लेखिका और गायिका। गांधी जी के विचारों से प्रभावित, देश के लिए अपने जीवन समर्पित। संकटों से ना घबराती आगे बढ़ती रही। गांव गांव घूमकर देश प्रेम जगाती रही। प्रथाओं में जकड़े औरतों को जगाए। सत्याग्रह में प्रमुख भूमिका निभाई। भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन में भाग लिया। बहुभाषी थी, श्रोताओं को मंत्रमुग्ध करती थी। इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस की पहली महिला अध्यक्ष बनी। उत्तर प्रदेश की पहली महिला राज्यपाल बनी। धन्य है भारत माता, ऐसे सुपुत्री को पाया। सारा जीवन देश के लिए अर्पण किया। जय जय हिंद, जय भारत माता।
जय भारत माता। लोह पुरुष की ऐसी छवि न देखी न सोची कभी। आवाज में सिंह सी दहाड़ थी, हृदय में कोमलता की पुकार थी। एकता का स्वरूप जो उन्हें मिला, देश का मानचित्र पल भर में बदला। अहिंसा की नीति उन्हें प्रभावित किया, असहयोग आंदोलन में गांधी जी का साथ दिया। देश में भ्रमण कर लोगों को एकत्र किया, राज्यों को देश में मिलाने का कार्य किया। खेड़ा आंदोलन में अहम भूमिका निभाई, अकाल और प्लेग से ग्रस्त लोगों की सेवा की। देश के एकीकरण की बात आई, साम दान दंड भेद की नीति अपनाई। इससे लोह पुरुष कहलाए, धन्य हो भारत माता धन्य हो। जय हिंद, जय भारत माता।
मुझे गर्व है मेरे सुपुत्रों पर, उनकी बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं रहेगा। हर भारतवासी खुशी से रहेगा। देश की रक्षा में बलिदान हुए जो, उनकी महिमा हम गाएंगे। उनकी ही पद चिन्हों पर हम अपने कदम बढ़ाएंगे। अहंकार से नहीं, स्वाभिमान से हम इस देश को गौरवशील बनाएंगे। माता पिता के आशीष पाकर इस देश का मान बढ़ाएंगे। भारत माता की गौरव गाथा हम चारों ओर फैलाएंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत माता। धन्यवाद।
It was an excellent role play. Thank you. Gratitude is not only the greatest of all virtues, but the parent of all others. Now Manasa will render the vote of thanks.
Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our hearts and memories in our souls. Good morning to all. I, Manasa, deem it an honor and a privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First and foremost, I would like to thank our dignitaries and institutional heads for their valuable time and our headmaster for his commendable contribution and guidance. I would like to extend my gratitude to our guest, retired Lieutenant Colonel K.R.V. Rao, for inspiring us with his insightful words. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our tech department for making this possible. I owe a special gratitude to our teachers for their stewardship, support, vision, and commitment. I thank all the distinguished invitees and audience present here for making this function a resounding success. Once again, I thank you all for your attention. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Manasa. Well, looks like we've come to the end of this show. I hope that you guys are all safe and sound in your houses. We will defeat Corona just like the way we defeated the British. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.